Want a crash course in digital currency? I'm Catherine Gu from Visa's crypto team, here to take you on a quick journey through this dynamic financial technology. Let's get started. First things first, what is digital currency? You can think of it as a digital version of cash, secured by a private cryptographic key. This private key determines ownership and payment authorization. And because it's digital, it gives digital currency users a very efficient way to access and move dollars around the world, unlike physical cash. Let's take a closer look at the three distinct categories of digital currency and some key use cases. The first category is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ether. These are digital currencies that are unaffiliated with any government or centralized bank. Consumers don't normally use crypto for daily spending, but rather as a sort of digital gold. And there's growing excitement around its potential for savings and investment. Then there's category 2, stablecoins, or digital currency backed by fiat held at commercial banks. Like the name implies, stablecoins provide the flexibility of digital currency without the volatility of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ether. Stablecoins are becoming quite popular for things like settling crypto asset trades, B2B payment flows, or transactions on new global credit markets. A great example of this is DeFi, or Decentralized Finance. Quick side note about DeFi. It is what happens when the power of crypto and programmable money is applied to lending, crowdfunding, insurance, and other non-traditional banking services. The democratization of trading and investment is a hot topic right now, and some consumers are looking to DeFi as an alternative to traditional financial services. Okay, on to our third category. Central bank digital currency, or CBDC, is still an emerging concept. Essentially, it is like a digital version of cash, issued by a country's central bank. In the future, you may be able to receive and spend CBDC directly via a digital wallet that is stored on your phone or tablet. And the good news is, a lot of the products and infrastructure built to support stablecoins can also support CBDC once it becomes available. So, why embrace digital currencies? Simply put, they present exciting opportunities for banks, merchants, and fintech companies to expand and optimize their offerings, from rewards to investment and assets to digital wallets. And you don't have to do it alone. Visa is here to guide you through your digital currency journey and help you unlock these opportunities. It is all part of our mission to connect the world through Visa's innovative, reliable, and secure digital network. And as for tomorrow, rest assured that as digital currency evolves, Visa will evolve right along with it. Want to dive deeper? Book your visit to Visa's Digital Currency Innovation Hub today.